The fashion and beauty industry was one of the first to embrace the metaverse because fashion is fast-changing and trend-based. Welcome, Sliicers. Here are 10 uses for the metaverse in the beauty industry. One, virtual showrooms. Virtual showrooms allow customers to interact with products before purchasing them. Customers can see how a product will look using an avatar generated from an uploaded photo. Seeing cosmetics or clothing on their own bodies and faces will help consumers make more informed decisions about their purchases. They can share their virtual looks with others on social media, or see what products others are trying. Retailers use virtual showrooms to showcase their products with a high degree of interactivity. Most traditional e-commerce websites for cosmetics rely on static images, but these are transitioning to interactive augmented reality try-ons. 2. Smart mirrors. Smart mirrors come with technology such as touchscreens, sensors, and cameras that enable them to perform various functions beyond simply reflecting an image. A smart mirror can ensure we buy precisely the right size and shows us what an item will look like without physically trying it on. Similarly, smart mirrors can show what new hairstyles, makeup, or even cosmetic surgery will look like. Step-by-step instructions can be shown for applying makeup or grooming, and products can be suggested based on the user's skin type and preferences. 3. Virtual consultations. The metaverse connects consumers with live beauty consultants for virtual consultations, allowing them to receive personalized recommendations for products and techniques based on their own unique needs and preferences. Customers can meet with a consultant in a virtual world to try on new styles on a realistic avatar. 4. Virtual tutorials. Product demonstrations give customers an experience that entices them to buy. We can use the metaverse to host virtual makeup tutorials, allowing consumers to learn new techniques and skills from makeup artists and influencers in a virtual setting. Traditionally, this has been done through video, but virtual reality offers a far more interactive alternative. 5. Virtual beauty events. Virtual beauty events allow consumers to participate from anywhere in the world. Some fashion and beauty brands already use metaverse technology to host virtual events, such as panel discussions or product launches. This allows manufacturers, distributors, and retailers to connect with their audience and showcase their products virtually. 6. Virtual beauty salons. The metaverse can allow consumers to receive beauty treatments and services remotely. A stylist can use 3D environments to consult with their clients and provide advice on how to style their hair, do their makeup, or demonstrate how to do various beauty treatments at home, such as applying facial masks or giving yourself a manicure. Some fashion and beauty brands are already partnering with virtual influencers to reach new audiences. 8. Virtual reality training. Fashion and cosmetic companies use VR technology to train their employees in various skills, such as makeup application or customer service. This can be an efficient and effective way to train a large number of employees without the need for in-person sessions. 9. Fashion shows. During a virtual fashion show, models walk the runway showcasing the latest collection from various designers. Virtual attendees can see close-ups of items and behind the scenes of the models getting ready for the show. In addition to the fashion show itself, there may be interviews with designers and other industry professionals. Other interactive elements include question and answer sessions or virtual shopping experiences. Overall, a virtual fashion show allows people to experience the excitement and glamour of a traditional fashion show from the comfort of their own homes. 10. Non-fungible tokens. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a unique digital asset. In the beauty industry, NFTs are a way to authenticate and verify the authenticity of a limited edition or rare cosmetic, such as limited edition makeup collections or special edition perfumes. Exclusive one-of-a-kind cosmetic experiences, such as personalized makeup consultations or application sessions with celebrity makeup artists, can be packaged as NFTs. Slicer Question of the Week: what does your ideal avatar look like? First to market, first to succeed, the Metaverse is evolving from a curiosity to an essential part of people's lives. It's an exciting time to be involved, and you have many opportunities. Your business can't afford to ignore this global and technological shift. Let SliiceXR build a custom Metaverse world for you. Thanks for watching, Slicers. See you next time.